Looking for a cozy, efficient way to warm up your bathroom? The best wall heaters for bathrooms provide quick, consistent heat while fitting seamlessly into your space. Designed for safety and convenience, these heaters often feature moisture-resistant construction, easy-to-use controls, and energy-efficient performance, making chilly mornings a thing of the past. Starting at number 1, HeatStorm HS1500 PHX heater. The HeatStorm HS1500 PHX Wi-Fi infrared heater is a wall-mounted Wi-Fi-enabled unit designed for efficient zone heating. It delivers the 1500 W of power and 5200 BTU, making it suitable as a primary heater for small rooms up to 150 52, or as supplemental heating for larger spaces up to 750 52, depending on installation. The heater features modern conveniences like remote control, a touchscreen thermostat, and Wi-Fi connectivity, allowing temperature control from a phone or smart home system. Safety is a priority with tip-over shut-off, overheat protection, and a cool-to-touch grill, while its space-saving design keeps floors clear. However, it is not rated for damp environments, so it is not recommended for bathrooms or other wet areas. Its efficiency and quiet operation make it ideal for bedrooms, offices, and living areas, but proper wall installation is required for optimal performance. Number 2, Envi wall heater. The Envi plug-in electric panel. Wall heater LE5012P is a low wattage, wall-mounted electric heater designed for efficient and silent indoor heating. Operating at just 500 watts, it provides energy-efficient, continuous warmth ideal for small rooms such as bathrooms, bedrooms, or offices. Its fanless stack convection design ensures quiet operation and prevents circulating dust or allergens, making it suitable for homes with children, pets, or allergy sufferers. The heater features a cool touch exterior, overheat protection, and a wall sense safety sensor that cuts power if removed from the wall, enhancing safety. Slim and easy to install, it saves floor space and requires minimal maintenance. While it is best suited for smaller areas due to its low power, multiple units can be used in larger spaces, and proper installation is essential to ensure safe operation in damp environments. Proudly made in the USA, the LE5012P combines energy efficiency, safety, and convenience for reliable zone heating. Number 3, Cadet Energy Plus. The Cadet Energy Plus wall heater CEC1763TW is a fan-forced wall-mounted electric heater with a built-in digital thermostat, delivering 1000, 1500, or 1600 watts and up to 5460 BTU, making it ideal for efficiently heating small to medium-sized rooms. Its auto-adjusting fan speed and precise thermostat maintain consistent temperatures while improving energy efficiency, reportedly reducing energy use by up to 30% compared to older wall heaters. The unit is designed for easy installation, often allowing upgrades to older wall heater setups without additional wall modifications, and includes safety features such as a thermal safeguard that shuts off the heater if temperatures exceed safe limits. While quiet and effective for bedrooms, living rooms, or offices, it is not suitable for damp or wet areas like bathrooms. Overall, the Cadet CEC63T offers reliable, energy-efficient, and convenient heating with modern controls for everyday comfort. Number 4, Dreo wall heater. The Dreo wall heater for bathroom is a 1500 W wall-mounted electric heater designed to provide fast, quiet, and safe heating for indoor spaces such as bathrooms, bedrooms, or offices. It uses a PTC ceramic heating element with forced air circulation and adjustable vertical oscillation to distribute warmth evenly, while an adjustable thermostat and 24-hour timer allow precise temperature control. Safety is a key feature, with an LCI anti-leakage plug that cuts power in case of electrical faults, internal overheat protection, and automatic shutoff mechanisms, making it suitable for humid environments. The heater also offers remote and smart app control, including compatibility with Alexa and Google Home for convenient scheduling. Its slim wall-mounted design saves floor space and simplifies installation. While ideal for small to medium rooms up to 204 square feet as a primary heater, or up to 750 square feet as supplemental heating, larger or poorly insulated spaces may require additional units for optimal warmth. Number 5, MEPTY 1500 wall heater. The MEPTY 1500W wall heater is a versatile indoor electric heater designed for bathroom use, featuring a built-in towel rack, adjustable thermostat, 5099 DGF, 24-hour timer, remote control, and multiple heating modes, including an energy-saving eco mode. Its IP24 splash-resistant rating provides protection against water from any direction, and the unit is UL certified with overheat protection, ensuring safe operation in humid environments. The 1500W power delivers fast, efficient heating, while the towel rack allows for warming or drying towels, bathrobes, or light clothing. Easy to install with included mounting hardware, the wall-mounted design saves floor space and enhances convenience. Ideal for small to medium bathrooms, the MEPTY heater combines safety, energy efficiency, and practical functionality for comfortable, reliable warmth.